Assalamu alaikum. I received a message from someone saying I cannot forgive myself for something that I did in the past. My brothers and sisters, Allah will forgive you. And you know what? You need to learn a lesson, move on. Subhanallah. Life should not stop because you did something in the past. Don't allow it to stop. Don't let it bother you and bug you. If you sought the forgiveness of Allah, the first time you did it, sincerely, Allah forgave you. Remember that. The first time you sought the forgiveness of Allah sincerely, Allah forgave you. So now, you are just a human. Don't try and be an angel. You won't be able to. And you're not a devil because you don't defy Allah. You did something in your weakness, during your bad days, perhaps at a time when you were ignorant, perhaps when you had distanced yourself from Allah. You recollected, you came, you remembered, you sought forgiveness, you changed your ways. That's it, forget about the past.